How to download and install Viki mobile app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The mobile app of Viki can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. Once you are here, you need to tap on the search bar in the upper section and search for Viki mobile app. Right after searching, you will be able to see the search results with this app. Simply tap on install option in the right hand side. It will take a few minutes to install it on your device, which depends upon your internet connection. Once the app is installed, you can either sign up or sign into your account, and from over there you can stream Asian dramas and movies. You can choose the shows or the movies according to your choice, and here are the various services. You can simply go and look from over there, and after a few seconds you can see the app has been installed. You can simply go for open option and use the app. So this is how you download and install Viki mobile app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.